Hopewell Hawks. My name is Mrs. Mitchell, and I teach first grade at Hopewell. Today is Tuesday, October 20th. The weather today is cold, cloudy, and there's a chance of rain in the afternoon. Happy birthday to Mrs. Nyer in fifth grade and to Mr. Jeff. If you would like to pre-order lunch, please have your parent log into School Cafe to place your order. Please join me in saying the Hopewell vision and mission statement. Mission. Through an innovative learning community, Hopewell Elementary teaches the whole child by building trusting relationships, high expectations, and celebrating differences. Vision. Hopewell Elementary is a learning community dedicated to the success of every student. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance with your right hand on your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for our Hopewell Pledge. I pledge to have respect, act responsibly, work together, keep our school safe, and soar to success. Have a great day, Hawks!